Hey guys, what's up? This is Mr. Crayfish, and welcome back to another live stream. Chat's pretty dead at the moment. I don't even know how many people are here right now, but if you're here, thank you for joining in. You might have had like the window closed or something like that, just waiting for me to start. I can check how many people we got watching. I can check. I got an itchy ear. First of all, I got an itchy ear. Let's clear that up. We got one person watching. That's me watching. That's me watching. But I'm gonna be doing this live stream anyway. I'm gonna be working on the RC car mod, and it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. This thing, I'll wait till people get in here, but pretty much posted this on Reddit, right? And only just 24 hours ago, and it got 10,000 upvotes for this mod, this RC car mod. People love it, and that's literally 10,000. I think it's like 11,000 now actually. That's literally in the top 10 posts ever been submitted to the Reddit Minecraft, which is absolutely crazy. Like, it's been what, like 7 years that thing's been up? Oh no, Reddit was only like 2011, 2012. It's been like 5 years since the Minecraft Reddit has been up, and like I'm now in the top 10 posts after 5 years. It's pretty crazy. It looks like we got a bunch of people here now. Hey guys, what's up? How you doing? I see you in the chat there. I see you in the chat there. Thanks for joining in, guys. Music is too loud. Oh, shite. And of course I had the music way too loud for the start of the live stream. It says 10 on your screen. Shouldn't be. I really stuffed that up. Wow, that's going to be an awkward intro. Hopefully it wasn't too loud that you couldn't actually hear me, but you should have been able to hear me. I was talking quite loud there. But yeah, it's going to be an exciting live stream work on the RC car mod. We might get some pretty good progress done today, which should be good. Yeah, sorry about that music situation. I didn't realise it was so loud. Should have checked my levels. Should have checked my levels. Hey, what's up, David? See you in the chat. But yeah, we're working on the RC car mod, as you might know, and today I'm hopefully we can get something done, and that is pretty much adding in customization to the RC car. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm actually going to run the game here because I want to show you what I've actually been working on, and if you actually seen the Reddit post, you might know something that has changed to the car. I live on the opposite side of Australia to you. Okay. Oh, I live in the centre, so you would have to live in the centre. You'd have to live in like Northern Territory. You should make an RC tank that shoots or flying helicopters. Yeah, I'm gonna make maybe a tank. That would be cool. Create a tank. Hey, do you remember the good stuff? Oh yeah, I do. I remember that. That was when we were developing the device mod and we were working on the cards, the kind of like credit card thing. Well, not really credit card. It's just like a bank card. And what was it? It was just like crates or stuff in the it was crates, and I was like, yeah, the good stuff, making some money. This is the headquarters. It's their leader. That kind of stuff. I think that's what it was. Alright, so pretty much now I should have a new world. This is just completely blown up when I had the explosion set onto it. I'm gonna put that down a little bit so you guys can... I don't know if you guys can hear me from here. That's the problem. I think I might turn up because this looks better without the actual microphone in it, but it's like a lot further away. I'm not sure if you guys will hear me. I'm just looking at the peaks. Hold up, let's see what... Can I adjust the settings here? I don't want to adjust my microphone settings because I have them at a certain level just so they don't peak most of the time. Let me know what this level is like right now, because if I keep talking like this, we should be fine. But here we go. Let's go ahead and have a look at some changes here. Now what I did is I add like a little message onto here that says pretty much like it says unlinked, and it says right click a car with this controller to link them together. Pretty cool. We can pop down the car here. Let's make sure sounds are on. Yeah. Music off. Cool, cool, cool. Because I want you guys to be able to hear this. Pretty much. Hello, can you notice me? Hey, Crazy Waffle. I noticed you, dude. You can do monster truck that crushes mobs. Yeah, I've got a cool idea for customization. You guys are gonna have to wait for that. Hint: make a tank explosion, power 500, totally not destructive. Wink, wink. Where do I live? Australia. I like this song. Alright, but pretty much when you right click it, and it's kind of moving, I'll fix that up, but when you right click it now, wait, hold up. Yeah, did you hear that? Pretty much it just plays a sound now, and now you can drive it around. But I also added in particle effects there, so as you can see when it's driving, it's like shooting up all the grass or the dirt when it's actually driving because it's so powerful. But a cool thing as well is that it actually has, well, it has turning wheels now, but it also has wheels that turn properly. Have a look at this. How cool is that? So that's a new feature with this truck here, and it's good because like pretty much I can hold to turn, go forward, let go, and it's still turning for a little tad bit because the wheels are realigning to straight ahead. Like you might have noticed that like when you turn here, they take a while to go back to straight. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm liking it a lot so far. This is just the start. We're going to talk about some future plans as well. So, what was I going to say? Oh yeah, I wanted to talk about this as well, but I'll get to that afterwards. I'll talk about the ideas for this RC car mod that I actually have currently at the moment. So, what I want to be able to do in the future is pretty much have like dynamic attachments to this car. So pretty much I'm still deciding how many you'll be able to actually be able to attach. I think it might be like 3 only. So what you can have like an attachment on the left side, attachment on the right side, and then attachment on the top. Now what attachments are actually various things. So one might be a gun attachment, one might be one where you can actually put an item onto it. Another one might be you can put like a tool on it maybe. That could I'm still trying to plan out how this can work and stuff. What else was it? But basically attachments that you can add to it. You can shoot rockets, you could there was going to be like things like being able to drop bombs or like little mines behind your car, so you could come along like this, drop a mine, it will drop it where you dropped it, it will be placed where you dropped it, and then you just like drive away and it'll, like an explosion will happen. What else might be useful? There's still tons of things ton of things. But the focus right now is like in the future there might be more kind of types of remote control vehicles, like we could have like a helicopter and that kind of stuff, but right now I really want to focus on just cars and getting pretty much them like really souped up so people can start playing with them, because the idea that I really want to have is like I want RC cars to be useful, but I also want them to be, you can actually create like a battle arena, you can create racetracks. Oh god, I'm good. I am good. Mr. Cray, are you going to build mods as a career? What do you study? Well, right now I'm like doing YouTube full time, but I'm also going to university. Like YouTube is my job. Pretty much coding is my job, almost like providing you guys with entertainment is my job right now. So just doing this is my job, so I'm already doing modding is pretty much a career. Well, it's not really a career, but I mean, Minecraft modding, it's more like more of a platform builder. Make RC car that you can customize. I already said that. Make 3D printer builder for creating cars that can be different colors. I think I'm gonna do a different methods. I'm still trying to figure out how I should standardize all the models, because the problem with the flip. Am I okay? MCPC delight. What? Can you make one with camera or chest? I forgot to show you that off. So yeah, you can control this. You can press C here. Forgot to show this off actually. So you can still like control your character's direction while you're actually viewing in the car here, which is pretty funny. But it is pretty cool. But yeah, that's pretty cool. But yeah, there's going to be upgrades for cars, so like speed and that kind of stuff. So you'll be able to put like speed 2, speed 3, speed 4. There might also be boosters and that kind of stuff, which would be cool. Can you add more control to the car, like jump, flip, twist, like Rocket League? Yeah, I can, but like the thing is, like collisions in Minecraft, not that good. You pretty much collisions are squares, are like cubes in Minecraft, so you can't do any sort of flipping to hit something. But I don't really want to make it too much like Rocket League. That wasn't my kind of plan, but like I definitely can add like features like flipping and jumping, like being the ability to jump, being able to like flip your vehicle. This is too enough for the RC car with the camera. The camera thing is also going to be like an upgrade as well, because I feel like it is like more of a thing that should be rewarded for having like an upgrade. So like, because you don't want to make it too kind of powerful in a way. Oops. Now I am going to be resolving, like, I'm going to be trying to resolve server issues, because like right now I mean, it's fine, but sometimes after a while it does get a little like... oh crap. There's kind of a glitch there, but I'll fix that. Oh crap, oh good, here we go. I mean, it's going alright, just sometimes it gets really glitchy. I'm not sure why, I think it's because it's trying to update from the server. But I can look into it, because like, yeah. But I mean, it's doing alright for now. I'll look into fixing that internals a bit later on. Like, that only happens like sometimes before it was like working real smoothly. This is the development stream, so no, I don't think this won't happen here. Are you going to add sound effects? Yes, I am. I'm actually going to be sampling my own RC car for some sound effects, because I can't seem to find any online, so I'm just like, why don't I just record my own? So that's what I'm going to do, is actually record like a the turning sounds of the wheels, and then also the RC car actually going. It'll be pretty good. But yeah, definitely this view is pretty cool. I like it. Hallelujah! That's funny. But yeah, let's go ahead and let's get into this today. So what I was thinking is, if you guys wanted to design some cars, maybe you want to get some, maybe I can use it as some inspirational. If it's good enough, I can actually pop it into the mod. So what I've done is, hold on, let me get this up here for you guys. Is pretty much, is that it? Pretty much, I've pretty much packed this together. Oh, I've saved this model file like this. Pretty much, this is the template that you use to create a car. We have a donation. I didn't expect to have one. Fabby50 donated $1. Thank you so much, dude. Not really like promoting them in these live streams, but thank you so much for the support. And if you guys do want to donate, though, maybe I should mention it. If you guys do want to donate, there is a link down below. You can donate whatever you like. I think the minimum's only $1, but like, all donations are truly appreciated. You don't have to do it. You can just watch this live stream, make sure you're subscribed, and that's good enough. Pretty much, I've saved this model file here, and this is pretty much the template you want to use if you're going to be creating any new cars, because they kind of have to be standardized, all the models. So this is the base you want to use for it. So what I'm going to do is actually send this out to you guys. Someone said the chat boring. Well, the close button, the back button is there on your on your web browser if you don't want to watch. But pretty much, yeah, I've saved this, and if you guys want to create a model, I'll check it out. But pretty much, once you've created your model, you just go ahead and delete the base of this, so it's not included in it anymore. So create your thing around it, then actually delete these 3 original elements. So I already put a put the link up. Let me just type it in the chat here. Whoops, and I stuffed it up. Let's see if I can do this. Files. That's it there. So if you use my program, you should be able to use that file to open it up, and then you'll be able to start designing. Just make sure you take note of what's the front and what's the back. North is the front, south is the back. Mr. Crayfish, can you make a modded server with all your mods like CDM, CFM, CFMCE, and all of your viewers can play on a server, plus with the CDM us can text people, hope you can make a server? Yeah, I think that would be a cool idea. I'll see. Remember. Texting Bay, as everybody says. Yeah, no server advertising. I'm sorry about that. Alright, and we've also got cookies in this live stream. Can we get like a hashtag cookie going in the chat? Hold on, I gotta get them out. Ugh. They're like in a really hard case. Ah, there we go. Oh, I've already ate half of it, but cookie. So I can get a hashtag cookie. Make more add-on videos? Yeah, I might do another one. Hey Cray, what's your favorite band? E.g. 21 Pilots. He's just like, please say that, please say that, please say that. I don't really have like, my people that I like aren't bands. And they're more so producers. They produce music on their own. We got a hashtag cookie tag in the chat there. Thank you guys so much. White chocolate. They're white chocolate and macadamia. You can't even taste the macadamias though. It just tastes like white chocolate. What was I saying though? But I should mention, if you guys do design a model, just send it back to me through my email, business@mrcrayfish.com, or you can go ahead and just send it a link on Twitter or something like that, and I'll send them out. I might also do a Twitter shoutouts as well, so let me just go ahead. I'm going to get something running here so you guys can get some shoutouts in the live stream. You guys can get some shout outs in the live stream. Let's go ahead and tweet it. I'm just posting it right now. I'm posting it right now. Hold up, guys. Hold up, guys. Alright, so it's my latest tweet on my Twitter account. Retweet that and I'll be doing some Twitter shoutouts real soon for you guys. Hey Cray. I'm wish tired. I'm gonna log off. Good night. See you later, Alex. Thanks for joining in. Who's talking outside? The flip? Alright, so let's go ahead and let's get into this because we are kind of delaying ourselves like half an hour here. Wow, look at my face. It's a lot darker now. And bright. And dark. And bright. And dark. It's because I changed my GitHub theme. Alright, so we're going to just close everything off for now. I keep opening way too many things. Just make sure we just haven't got any changes here. Alright, so pretty much the first thing I wanted to do is to update the render for the car. Now, this is the kind of the bit I was struggling on. I'll be back in a sec, guys. I'm just gonna do something in real life. 2 minutes. 2 minutes tops. Suggest me ideas for the mod in the chat and I'll read them out when I get back. Ideas for the mod, that is. I'm back. Oh god. Hold up. Let me fix this up. That good? There we go. Just got some Cray juice as well. Alright, so I said for you guys to put suggestions in the chat. Whoa, god. Why do I stream on 480? Because I can't stream on 720p yet. I will soon though, don't you worry. I'm going to be streaming on 720p real soon. And it's going to be the best thing ever. How do you do Twitter retweets work on this stream? Pretty much all you have to do is go to my Twitter, retweet my latest tweet, which is talking about this live stream, and it says retweet for a shout out. Then pretty much in like half an hour's time, I go over there, check the retweets, shout you out on live stream. My ideas, how about something equivalent to the RCXD? Pretty much how that's going to work, like the RCXD, is that you'll be able to put like a TNT or self-destruct component or something similar to it, because the thing with RCXD in Call of Duty, it doesn't really matter if you blow up your car. However, a car in the Minecraft is more of a it takes a while to craft the car, uses resources to craft the car, and it could be quite expensive. So it might be it might not self-destruct, but it will be very expensive to like drop a bomb on somebody like that. See what else? Oh crap. GPS, so you can send the car off on its own mission autonomously. Simple programmable commands. Yeah, that's possible actually. How about if you ride the RC car? I did get that working. But we could make it so you can actually ride on it with your player, which would be cool. Now this is the part where I'm like very confused on how I'm actually gonna achieve this. Pretty much there's a lot of dummy items in this mod. So pretty much we're going to have public static item standard case standard. Because pretty much we create items and then we can get their renders. There's like no real other way to do it. Different. And then we might have something like public static item axle base car base. And then we need to register all these. Now we don't have to have any sort of special they're not any sort of special items, so we can just like I might just create a public void register part return item equals new item Alright, there we go, and then we just do something like this. Car base, whoops. Just so we can register them a lot quicker without having to like do this every 2 seconds. Oh, that does return. Okay, hold up. We can do something different here. So we do that, register part. Yeah, is that working? There we go. If you guys got any more questions, let me know in the chat. Can we add a mod to remove all these sub me chat and what? Oh yeah, I see. Yeah, pretty much anybody that just like says anything bad is pretty much straight away blocked. No warnings at all, I just block people, so if you say anything rude in chat, it's pretty much you gone. I don't care if you're subscribed, you're a fan, or anything like that. You kind of wasted your opportunity. Common sense tells you that this is bad. But I'll try my do best. I mean, it's not too bad. Usually I do have a moderator, but like, it's a bit more difficult. Now, one thing I do want to do is more so. This is not about the it's not about the game. This is more about in real life. I really want to get on a proper schedule, and I realize this now since I actually did Mod Week. Now, what Mod Week kind of showed me was that it was kind of like live streaming right in the morning was like a warm-up for me. Because when I start recording, right, I'm very kind of sketchy, and I sometimes like I'll record something like, and I'll be like, that wasn't good at all. I'll do the whole thing again because I wasn't warmed up. And what's good about like live stream is it pretty much warms my voice up like straight away, so I can start recording. I feel really in the mood, and that's definitely going to help me actually create good videos for my main channel, while also being able to create content for my second channel. Like, on this channel, I'm not as high standard as like I would be. I mean, live streams don't have to be like a super high standard. I don't really mind, but it's a good warm up. And the thing is, like, I've been getting up really late, like sometimes like 12:30 in the afternoon, and it's kind of really annoying because I get up, I don't feel ready. But live streams really wake me up, so I might be doing another live stream right in the morning. Which is going to be pretty crazy, but we'll see how it goes. So like this live stream today is only going to go for like maybe another 2.5 hours, maybe less than that, depends how I'm feeling. Like 3 hours is kind of my ideal kind of goal. But let me know what you think, guys, because like it means live streams more often on this channel. Well, pretty much a lot. Subscribe. I can't believe we hit 10k on this channel. Pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. For a cool addition idea, what you already said, it would be cool if you had like upgrades. Flashlight. Flashlight is something that wouldn't be possible easily. Probably wouldn't be happen, but gun. Floaters so you could drive on water, yeah, definitely. Balloons to make it hover or jump higher. Probably just like a suspension upgrade that allows you to jump or something like that. Car horn, that is a good idea. Let's get that down, actually. Car horn. What else we got here? I've already done a third first person cam. What do I say? Gun's already, it's already on the list already, but I'll just make sure I remember it. Like I was gonna add it anyway. Slow movement, balloons to make it hover or jump higher. A lock-on missile gun? Jeez, you guys are savage. What are you trying to lock on here? What the heck? Trying to take out like a whole army or something like that, are you? A wing upgrade so the RC car can fly? That'd be crazy. That'd be absolutely crazy. First person cam? Already got it. Bye Cray, see you next mid, see you later. Whatever ramp so I could ramp it. Yeah, no, ramps will be coming, so I'll just put that down. That was like an idea already I had. Make the controller in the middle of the screen, so many people have said that. It will be coming, I'm just trying to figure it out. Alright, so that's all good. Let's just go ahead and add in Alright, we're just going to do some updating here. So file, load, import JSON, case standard. Yes. Alright, so we just need to get rid of that. That. So that's pretty much like what you would do if you're designing your own. Is pretty much just delete that stuff after. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and export. Ooh. I'm scared about exporting here. So one thing I didn't want to do is override the display properties. Alright, there we go. Now I can delete the old one. So I didn't want to have what was I gonna say? What was I gonna say? Completely forgot. Let's just go ahead, let's get into the render here. Let's close off model creator. Please listen, Mr. Crayfish. When I run my mod, crashes, help, please help. I don't know. I can't tell you what to do because I don't know what the problem is. Idea durability before the car dies, you need another one. Yeah, it might be possibility or add durability in. Do you know any post on events like right clicking an item to open a UI or write text in chat? I couldn't say off the top of my head of where you go look. But there's a lot of content on the Minecraft Forge forums you could look at. Just go to the search bar. Maybe you just want to have a look up GUIs, just search GUI in the forums. There's most likely going to be a post there going over, or you can try and find videos on YouTube. I like how you called us savage when he said insta-ban, no warnings. Hey, I gotta do my job. Now I gotta keep the chat clean. That's not savage, that's just trying to keep the chat clean. But you guys are just like, I want rockets on this thing. Like, geez, what the flip? Someone said hashtag dab. But pretty much here now, what we can do is this is going to change around. That's not going to be final anymore. Oh, that can be final. However, this one here is not final. And we'll just leave that there. Case current case alright, that's good. And then the case has to be, oh no, the case has to be decided by the entity. How can I keep track of what one we got? Add rockets, add flamethrowers, add homing missile functionality. Able to lock on any target or coordinate from 3,000 blocks away and destroy everything within a 200 block radius. Jeez! Now that is savage. You know GUI is pronounced GUI? Not really. You can say it either way. It's like people saying GIF is... People say GIF or GIF. GIF. I say GUI. Graphical user interface. Casey make a potato wheel. Maybe. But we're gonna leave that for now. Current case. Then we just have another one here, which is like for the base. And then all we have to do is now I'm just trying to think where should we start from here. Alright, so we're gonna have a couple of properties here in the car. Is a private double wheel, because I want, okay, so like customization is gonna be pretty cool. Wheel size. Wheel size, so straight off the bat it's just going to be 1.0. I should probably better have a float. Wheel size, what else do we need on this? I'm just trying to figure out how I can do like the current case. Can you make a dab mod? I can't make the dab mod for 1.11 yet until the API is updated. Potato wheel. still got some of this stuff. Whatever that is, that's good. Suggestion: add a camera. I've already got a camera for it. Let's just stick with wheel size for now. I don't really have. I don't know how to save. I think you can private float, private string, current. Standard. I should have like a. I should have a enum class, I reckon. I reckon that'd be good. So standard, and then just I don't know. If once we have more, once we have more, we'll put more on there. Now, how do we grab items? I'm gonna suss my furniture mod code because I do something similar in it by where I when I use the API, the recipe API, I'm actually getting register recipe. Nope. Here we go. Here we go. Item. If current case I will do it in the entity actually. Private item get case private item case. Oops. Alright, and then we want to do a getter. Get current case item. Then we can do like here, current case dot set stack. How do we set item stack to slot? What the flip? There should be like a set set entity item stack. Maybe change that to an item stack. The reason why I do this is because so we're not like loading up all the time. Wouldn't it be easier when the flashlight isn't possible just to make the whole thing glow? It's not that easy. You don't understand, that's working in with the lighting system. Like, default Minecraft doesn't have any, you can't just make it glow. I'm not gonna say that right now. You can't just make it glow magically in like one line of code. Oh crap, sorry, I just hit the microphone. Good cookie. Alright, so there we go. So that pretty much allows us to change the case now, even though we don't have any more cases on the car. We could make one real quickly, which might be good for testing out. I reckon it'd be cool to have a trailer. Now that would be cool. Who agrees with me there? A trailer. Yeah, that'd be so cute. A little car with a little trailer. I just really don't want to make any bad design choices because we are getting obviously a lot more complex here, and I just don't like that there in the middle of that. Alright, that's cool and stuff, but we need to we need to add in a new item, actually. It's like I'm thinking all this like in my head. Item, wrench. You'll see why. Because right now the wrench wouldn't really do anything. Sticky tires so you can go up 2 blocks or more. That's a pretty good idea. RC boat, yeah, maybe in the future. I'm really just focusing on the RC car at the moment. So the wrench is going to be a way to kind of modify the RC car, and it's going to open up a GUI. So we need to create a new package here. New class, GUI, car, extends GUI, then we're going to have a entity ID, which I like using. We'll have to look into this, see if we can pass extra data to the GUI handler because it's kind of a kind of unfair. I can't really. I mean, I can pass the entity ID through here. But that's not recommended. Private static int public static final ID equals 1. Then we just do if ID equals GUI car.id. Then we return a new GUI car entity ID. Because the entity ID is pretty much going to point to the entity that we're currently modifying. Could you do so only if you're using an upgraded version of the controller, maybe different model with also a screen? You can go into camera mode. The camera mode is going to be more so an upgrade that you put on your car. I'm doing a useful job. Yeah, it's weird. A lot of people are interested in this mod. A lot. 10,000 on Reddit people are interested in it. So that's pretty exciting. I should show you guys that post. Pretty crazy. How many upvotes has it got now? It's got 10.9k upvotes. Pretty crazy. Still at the top on the Reddit as well. I'll be doing shoutouts real soon on Twitter if you haven't already. Go over there to my Twitter account, retweet the tweet that says retweet for a shoutout. It should say RC Car Mod Development 2, and I'll be doing them real soon. So pretty much you'll get a shout out on the live stream. Would it be easier when the flashlight isn't possible? No, I already read that out. And no, it's not. So entity ID doesn't equals 1. Set car. I could have done something like this. There we go. Cool. So when we open a car, you just have to kind of draw. Oopsie, GOS screen. Where is it? Draw screen, that is. This dot draw default background. Oh, jeez. Draw the default background. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna snaggy some code. I know, we might not be able to use that actually. We might just be able to snag it from here. Private render car render. I think it's, let's just see what it is. Get render manager dot get entity render object. See get entity get entity by ID, entity ID. Okay, cool. Let's also this dot render equals that. So how I can change it? Well, regardless, doesn't matter too much. This dot car equals mc.world.get entity by ID. Alright, there we go. So we do have access to the entity car. I mean, client side, but that's all we kind of need. We just need to be able to like render it. So I could do something like render car 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. If you wanted to now. And let's go ahead, net instance register GUI handler, this new GUI handler, and then on our entity here, entity car, if world dot is remote, and player dot get item stack if and stack dot get item equals mod items dot wrench. Then we're gonna go ahead and be like player dot open GUI. Then the ID is GUI car dot ID world. We'll do 0, 0, 0. What's gonna do GUI handler dot set car entity ID get. Is that a private variable? Yeah, it is. Set that and then open it up. We'll have to do some extra things for here afterwards, but pretty much now it should be like, it's gonna be glitched, but it'll have a bit of a start. Why'd you start streaming while I was asleep? I don't know. Make a cheese and crackers mod. Don't know. Please update device mod to 1.11 to 1.11.2. It might work already. I might not. But I don't know. Yeah, it will be though. Alright. Whoa. Oh god. Gee, oh, what the flip? The flip? The flippin' heck happened there? Did anyone see that? Flippin', the... Steve was like a baby. Flippin' heck. That was strange. Oop. Make it look at his controllers. I'm still working on it. Oh, there we go. Hello. Yeah. The flippity flip Steve. What the flip Steve? You're going crazy. He's enjoying this music. There's like a really weird glitch with the lighting at the moment. I'm not sure why that does that, but I can fix it easily, probably. There's like a strange glitch I gotta sort out. I already know what the cause is, but you can probably see it already. It's just like, woo! Woo! There's some really strange stuff. Let's go ahead and give ourselves, Where's my wrench? Ah, I didn't register it. So it should open up a GUI which is going to display a really dirty, unrendered version of the car. Is the RC car water prog? That's enough cookies for me. An AI upgrade, mining upgrade, explosive upgrade, solar panel upgrade, PvP upgrade. An add-on should be a GoPro mod to put on top of the car. Yeah, that's pretty much what like the camera car is going to be. The car cam. You're crayfish? Yeah, I am. How you doing, dude? Yum! Alright, give ourselves that wrench now. So it should be just a dud item. And then when we interact, it should crash. Not really. Null pointer exception. The flip. Null on one of these here. Probably when it initializes. How can I... I think it's in GUI handler. There is a world instance. World, maybe. I'm healthy. Okay. So as a does that do anything special? Nope. So it does that. That should be correct now. Let's try it again. Oh boy, driving on farts. Are you suggesting an idea there? A farting RC upgrade? That'd be hilarious. I'm doing it. Farting box. Pop it on your car. That'd be really funny. Alright, so when we do this now, it should open. Yeah, well, it did open. That's what I wanted anyway. Just to create a black screen. And let's go in debug mode here. And we have to just do a couple of things. I'm just gonna go to furniture mod, copy out some code because we save so much time when we do that. We'll do geo state manager color. Bind texture. Lol no. X and Y size. Probably don't even need that. It's just this is not rendering. Alright, let's reload. Create upgrades in RC car, for example, oil splits, nail drops, TNT drop. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. But that's good ideas. TNT drop, obviously. Is some person really chatting in in Vietnamese or something like that? Goodbye, never see you again. What? Yeah, it doesn't matter if you know my name. I think my name's on my main channel anyway. Is it actually even rendered? Let's just go system. Alright, back we go. Hold up, we can do something like there it is, look. Told you it was like super duper small. Hello car? Oh. Too much. Oh, it's down there. I think we have to do geo state manager translate. Maybe not on the Z, but alright, so it's 10. Ah, flip. You guys can't really see anything. Rip. Maybe translate first. Ah, so annoying. It's like it like goes funky. I think we have to de-invert it as well. Ah, it's not showing it now. Ah, hold up. We were doing something else. You guys can't really see what I'm coding, but you guys can still ask me questions. Why aren't I using IntelliJ by my experience much better? I just choose not to. Clips isn't crappy, but it's just something I haven't done and I don't see any, it is faster, I'll tell you that. I should probably use, honestly, I'll look into it. I'll look into it for you. It's just I've been using Eclipse for ages, I mean, I can't be bothered changing at the moment. This is good. Oh yeah, you guys are gonna love this in a second here. Probably can already see it actually. Look at this thing. Look at it. We should GL state manager rotate. Oh god. Ah, it's like facing the wrong way. Alright. 45. The let's go 30. That's cool. Alright. So how's this affected? Okay, so there seems to be a problem with it. Pretty much I just want it to spin around. Oops. Flippin' flips. problem is that it spins around at the wrong point. Translate. Um, let's have a look at the other mod. Is it spinning on the right? I don't know. Couldn't tell. How did I make it spin? Rotation. Ah, okay. Alright, let's run this. Yeah, I was pretty much just doing all this render code behind the game. Once he put someone out, time for 20 minutes, so yeah, it was peaceful. Hint, we need more moderators. Your device mod in 1.2 crashed my game, so funny. What? I mean, yeah, see how it's rotating on the wrong, at the wrong point? Oh no, it technically is rotating at the correct point. Hold on. Oh, flip. It's rendering behind the game. The flippity flips. Is that right now? The flips? See you later, car. You're gonna go behind the game, aren't you? mean, it's kind of better, but I think I know why. Yeah, there we go. Ah, shite. Shite. It's not swearing. I mean, that's better now. And then we just need to rotate. Do it here. Ah. There we go. That's what I wanted. Ah, finally. So that's pretty much what I wanted. The car like that. What about 15? How are we going to stick all that in there? Finally. Like a preview of your car that you're currently rendering. That's what I wanted. Yeah, C++ is a very difficult language to learn. I tell you that right now. I'm doing it in university. I mean, I can learn it myself, but like I can see why, as someone who's had a lot of experience in Java and programming in general, like why this one is more difficult, because there's just so much to it. But it is quite powerful. I tell you that right now. It is quite powerful, and I would love to do more in it. I'd love to do more in it. A lot of cool stuff you can do. I really love structs in it, because it's pretty much just like you've got really got to learn about how all the memory works in C++ for you actually to be able to utilize C++. Like how when you, I don't know, you really got to learn about memory. I tell you that. And then it's me here that's just done a course in C++, well, still going to be, and can't even explain. I'm a bad explainer. I can learn things, I can understand them, but I can't teach them off to other people. That's the thing. That's how I've always been. I can never teach. I can't teach. I can learn, but I can't teach. But it's looking pretty good so far. So pretty much what I'm going to be able to do is be like, what the flippity flippin' like wheel scale, you know? So we could do, we're going to have that off to the side there like that. This dot height divided by 2. Take 1. Plus, I don't know, 50. Nope. 20. Looks pretty centered. So pretty much on the right side of the game here is where we're gonna have like the customization options, and this is where it just shows up. It's kind of the preview. This is where it just shows up. So you have the options there, and you'll be able to like customize this thing like crazy. It's gonna be cool. You have teach me how to create mods. You're a good teacher. I mean, in some senses I can teach, but like something complex like C++, I couldn't. There's too much to it, you know? I can only teach like by example. I couldn't be like very like, I don't know, open. I don't know. I'm alright at teaching, some ways. Can't even speak, that's how bad I am at teaching. So that's pretty cool, so that will come up like that, and then over here we're going to have options. This is where you'll be able to do like upgrades, and that kind of cool jazz and jazz. So let's see if we can actually do something here. Where is it? Render car. Oh, flip. Oh, flippity flip. Oh! What the flip? The flip? Hey guys, you want an RC car? Here it is. Whoa. Ah, that's funny as heck. The flip? New weapon, tire, smash. What happens if we go in this view? Ah, I can't really see it. Ah, you can. Doosh, 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 doosh. What the flip? Are there two names for Java? No, completely separate things. People always get them confused together. Completely separate languages. JavaScript is for like web development. Java is for like application development. And different companies as well. Who thinks that's flippity funny? What the flip? Stupid RC car. The flip you doing? Alright, is that better? Oh god! The flip! The flip is... What the flip is going on? That is so weird. Don't worry, I'll fix this up. I know what the problem is. It's just, Alright, so let's get rid of the scale here. Uh-oh, hold up. So that does that, alright, and... Alright, okay, cool. So pretty much, when I scale something, I gotta translate it correctly. So if I do GL state manager scale. Double scale equals, let's say 2. I'll show you guys what I'm doing. So I have scale times 2 here, pop that in there. There, we have to translate that out maybe. Nope. Maybe the scale afterwards. Maybe we have to scale it by oopsie, no, not that. Is that right? I think that's right. Alright. So all good for that. And then here. Ooh, I really don't know what's wrong with that. Maybe. Ah! It's kind of too far out. It's like a pixel out. Hold up. Here we go. Might not scale on one of the directions. Let's try. I think it's that one? Nope. Be the other one. The flippity flip. Maybe I will scale it actually, because it is kind of a scale divided by 2. So let's have a look here. So as you can see, like when I scale that, it's like still centered in the axis, just like the wheel adjusts more correctly now. So what happens if I scale it now? Ah! I should be doing it according to here. That makes sense. So if we scale it by that, we're going to do 0.0625 times scale take 0.065. Is that right? So I have to do 1. 10. I mean, these are ridiculous values, like something like this wouldn't be possible. There's just something a bit more, maybe like 1.5. So you could have like bigger wheels on the truck. And then we might also like adjust the height of the car as well, so it like adjusts to the right wheel height. Trying to figure out what would be good. Just keep the standard steel. Alright, see if we can do this to the other ones now. So we should just be able to copy this. Have obviously do some fixes to it. Alright, wheel scale. Here we go. Ah! Looks so funny now. Man! Alright, let's do something even better. Let's increase it a little bit. The scale, ready? 2. Oh god. 3. It reminds me of like, I don't know. Oh, it's so weird. But we might also make it so you can scale the RC kart truck as well, which would be cool. Why haven't we go in the hold up. Blah, 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 blah. Pretty cool. What the flip? Hold up. I see. Hold up, where is he? The flip is FaZe doing in here. The flip, get out of here, Phased. How dare you come into my live stream? Java is going to be easier to learn. I recommend learning Java first. It will make you understand the concepts without punishing you. True. True that. Alright, that's pretty cool so far. Who's with me here? Can we get a hype in, like a hashtag hype in chat here if you think that's pretty cool that we can now change the size? What if we do like half size? Is that good? Ah! Pathetic vehicle. Yeah. Is this your guys' favorite one? Is this your favorite wheel size, guys? It looks funny as heck. Man. How is that thing even running? What the flip? Who even puts wheels that small? It's like skateboard wheels on it. Unlock glitchy Cray. Ignore this bit here. See how it glitches out when I'm doing that? I know what the problem is. Just ignore that. I was the one who said Java and JavaScript is the same, but don't even say that, mate. I will get you. I know where you live. Not really, but low. Driving in circle hype. What wheel size should I do? I could do something like 5. The flip? Nah. That's not big enough for me, you know. I'm a big guy. I need big wheels. Now it looks like there's only 2 wheels. Ah! Pretty cool so far. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Hey Cray, I think of RC, hells, and boats for this mod too in the future. Right now, I'm focusing on cars. Like it's technically still going to be the RC car mod. That's why I'm pretty much just focusing on cars right now. I think we need to do a bigger size. I don't think it's big enough. You know, these wheels, they'd be pretty useless to be honest. These wheels in this case are a lot better. I mean, the size is a little ridiculous, but like, you know, I can actually travel pretty far with these. The flip! Ah! Who thinks these wheels are pretty good? I mean, I agree. They're so big. Ah! Ow, I got run over. Where's my car? Where is the actual car? I do not know. There's some big wheels. You haven't seen big wheels yet, mate. Now these are some pretty special wheels, I'll tell you that. Oh god. I broke the game, hold up. Let's maybe, uh-oh. Let's hop out of here, hold up. Oh, these are way too big. I need to just back down to 10. I don't even know where my car went. Ah, there it is. Alright, back down to 2. That's better. It's like a spider car. There's a weird glitch at the moment which I gotta fix up, but ready, watch this. It's like weirdly not preventable though. Like I can like destroy stuff, but like technically it's not destroyed. It's just visually. Like you can't do that. See, look, I can't go forward. Because there's not actually anything. Oh. Oh. What the flip? Yeah, C++, a lot more memory management, but it's good. It's good stuff though. So pretty much that has got to be this whole... Oh, there we go. What happens if I view this now? Ah! It's even got it there. So pretty much that's the whole idea that... when you actually go in here, you can change the size of the wheels. Like, this might be the max size for the wheels, because I mean... That's pretty ridiculous size if you ask me. Even though we tried out like massive ones. What? I don't get this whole bug. What the flip? How dare you lay that in front of me? Throw it back at it. That's it. See you later. Bye. Wouldn't want to be ya. Alright, just cover that up. Alright, pretty cool so far. Passing objects is different in C++ and Java. I definitely like, you can pretty much, like, in Java, reference anything by its address, and then you can pretty much, like for instance, like an integer, if you pass an integer as a parameter in Java, and you increment it by 1, it's not going to, it's going to update that value in the scope of the method, but not globally. Well, it's going to update it locally, not globally. Whereas if you do that in C++ and you if you put the parameter as like by reference, is it by reference? Yeah. Reference or no, pointer's different. Yeah, by reference. And then you just increment it, then it will actually update it. The actual address where it's at, not the value at the address. Alright, that's pretty good. Meh. Let's see if we can hop on this RC car. That's one thing I haven't really tried. I just want to hop on it for fun, you know? Here it's going to get return. Return true. That'd be a bad idea, actually. Actually, let's just go ahead. Player.mount Add passenger. Set mount. How do I... How do I add jump on something? Dismount. There's a method. Set riding. Ugh. How do I flippin'? Player, start writing. Jeez. Start writing this. Flippin'. Took me ages to find that. Haha. I think it's because I'm holding sneak already. Aha. Now what happens? Ah! What the flip? Dude, we're riding it. Look at this. We are riding this baby. How cool is that? See you later, Felicia. Dude, the things you could do with this. No lie. I hate that lighting glitch, but we'll fix it up. Wait, hold up. Oh no. What happens if we go this mode? Oh god. Players glitching out so much, but I think we can fix that. Ah! Help me! Yeah. Can we shoot? Dude, drive by. Let's do it. Oh, there's no villages. I killed them all. Flippin'. Let's go on a little adventure then. Let's go on an adventure here. Hold up. You know, I need to go faster. So... Whoa! Flippin' flips. Uh-oh. Oh god. Oh god. Holy shit! See you later, suckers! That's right. See, there's like really slight glitches every from time to time, but we can fix that up. Maybe. We'll see. We're on to get another village. This is so flipped right now. Aha! Drive by, baby. Holy shit! Ah! Who should we take down first? flippin' heck? Yeah, I gotta solve this issue of this. What the flippin' heck? Let's I think I disabled something. Did I? Ah! Here we go. Blip, 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 blip. Oh, it's first person this. Haha! Got him. Got him! Oh, there's another village. They want to mess with me. I think we go on like speed limit here. Let's just turn down that speed limit. Maybe 10. Because that's pretty much 10 blocks a second, just so you know. Or that was 20 blocks a second just before. Ah! That's so weird. Ah! Help me! Can you hit them? Yes. It's so annoying that they're flashing, I don't know why. Hey! Why can you not download even the teleport station mod? I'm still putting it up. It's gonna go up when I put the video up. I've still gotta record it. That's pretty cool. Place an antenna. Flippity flips. Like, there's gonna be a, I'm gonna put a seat upgrade on this. Then you actually have like a seat that you can hop on. That's gonna be so sick. Woo! There's like a really strange glitch. I think it's in render car here. After this, do entity renderer. Render helper disable. There we go. That fixed it. Oh. Not really. Well, it's not flashing anymore, but it's making everything go bright. The flippity flip flop. That's right. See you later, lizards. Ah! Can we access this through here? Oh no, we can't. Ah, that's kind of annoying. Alright, render car, wheel size. Let's pop you back down to 1. That was the normal wheel size before? What the flip? Nah, dude. Got it all wrong. This is the shiz here. What was the one from before? I think it's 3. Yeah, this is when it gets a bit big. Eh. There was like a, I don't know why it didn't work. I had like the runic spells mod installed. Hold on, let's try it. It just wasn't working like when I... Runic spells. Ah, what the flip's wrong with this? Ah, there we go. Run mods. Alright, we should be able to run the runic spells. I want to see if it actually like allows you to hop on. Create a simple banking, oh no. Calculator. Yeah, that's a pretty good way to I can do that easy, but Mr. Finn there seems to be struggling. What's going on with the wrench texture? Ah, it's just... It's fine! What are you talking about? I think chunk loading glitches this thing out. What did I do? I had the runic spells mod now. Oh, what the? Come back here. Oops. Like that can work, but why can't... I have to look into that. It should be able to... I think it's because it's not a living. Alright, oh well. We can still hop on it like this. See you later. I might do something real quickly, hold up. Because I still have something... I'm doing it for fun. I'm doing it for fun, I'm doing it for the live stream. Alright, this here. Get rid of that. Still got that in here. Network. Message. Explode car. Nope. World. Entity. TNT primed. World. CTX. Get server handler. Spawn entity. Has that got any sort of damage? How do you set the damage? Create explosion. Alright, no it doesn't. Alright. Let's get rid of that. Oh, you guys are gonna like this. Alright, here we go. That work? Oh no, I think it's a different button. It's key space. Code. It's not even being called. It's because you didn't run in debug mode. I only know about 3 spells. That hat is so fabulous, I want it. Yeah, a lot of people suggested so many good spells, so probably sometime this week we'll be working on the runic spells mod. I'm sexually identified as an attack helicopter. Rip. 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 Rip internet. I finally joined the live stream. Thanks for joining in, dude. Alright, let's have a look here. Oh, dude, imagine this. Flippin' wizard on a friggin' RC car. 2 different errors in one. Look at this. Magic right here. And then just like, boom. Oh damn, look at that. Look at me, he's like, what the heck is that guy sitting on his... Why is he sitting on his head? Wait. Nah, none of that. Still looking the perv. There we go. Alright, here we go. You ready for this? Oh god! Flip. What the flip? That is... Oh god. That's not gonna end well. Oh. Oh jeez! Ah! Oh. Oh god. Really, this is not gonna end well. I need a new car. It's stuck. Well, not really, but let's get it out of here. No, come on, car, you can do it. There we go. Alright, maybe. Let's just go into the car mode. This might be easier. See you later. Switch. Oh, flip! That's not a good idea. Don't do that, guys. As a kamikaze RC. How are we gonna dealing with it here? Oh, there we go. Ah, car got stuck. Rip. Rip RC car. Oh shoot. Let's go one more here. Hold up. This might not be good. Hold on, I think I can get back up. Huh. Do that. Alright. Ah, flipperoni. Do that. Then can we get back up? Not really. Ugh. Should better get up now. Ah! I knew that was gonna happen. Alright, here we go. Mayhem right here, ready? Uh-oh. Oh, almost crashed the game. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, it's not good. That was not a good idea. Uh-oh. I'm starting to be caught in the action. Ah! See you later. Oh shoot. No way. Woo! Circle of it. That's cool. Circle of TNT. That's so cool. It's like a little loading spinner. And we died. Yeah, sometimes these things Hey, car, what the flip are you doing? What the flip is this car doing? There we go. What the flip you doing, car? Damn, I can't link this up now. Alright, now it's linked. What the flip? Oh god. Oh. I guess you could say you're a little bit late, but I'm going to be ending off the live stream in 20 minutes from now. Ah! Pretty cool so far. But that's enough of that. Added a speed upgrade, jump upgrade, armor upgrade if you added car damage and battery life. Yeah, there will be a battery life thingy go. Alright. There we go. That's that. If you weren't here from before, pretty much we just added like dynamic tire sizes. So like if I want to right now, I can change the size of the tires to anything I want pretty much. Just do it even small size. A little bit bigger, maybe super small. Bit small. So you could have those size tires, or you could have those size tires. So yeah, pretty cool. It's so funny. I love it. Isn't it late for me? Yeah, of course. Look at the time. But I might be live streaming in the morning again, so might be working on the Runic Spells mod actually tomorrow morning. And then after that I'm going to do all my recording and that kind of stuff, because I feel like I need to fix up my schedule a little bit, and I think if I do live streams and that kind of stuff, then I mean, I got to get up, but then I'm ready to record afterwards, you know? And that's how I felt during mod week. I felt really productive, and I felt very comfortable last week. It was like a wake up call when I was live streaming, so it was good. You should make a GUI which allows to change the color of the car change the car texture, e.g. from the default into a police car. Yeah, I'm still trying to figure out how that customization is going to work. Like I mentioned at the start of this that I just sent out the model file for the base of the car. However, we're going to do some shout outs here. Shout outs for people that retweeted over on Twitter. Here we go, some shout outs. Tan Chan Yen, Super Crazy Gamer, New Gen, Granimated, Nathan Farugia, Neo Dai Majo, Mitchell Dowd, Stevie Reet 69, Bodgy, Number 3 on the Moon, Armed Mob, It's Jakey, King D Grizzle, Meme Star, Ben Zarella, Mirik, Josephek, Nubbinho, and William. Thank you guys for the retweets over on Twitter. Truly appreciated that, guys. Yeah, FaZe was pretty much the first person that helped me with modding. And look what he's taught me. Not really. He didn't teach me this, but look what it's got me. Gigantic wheels spinning. Can't believe it. It's so amazing. There we go. Mmm. I like the bigger wheels now. It's kind of sad. It's kind of sad that I like the bigger wheels. Maybe 1.5. Nah, too big. Well, they look too big. I mean, I like the big chunky wheels. I'm like, I really need sounds because it's getting really cringy when I start doing the sounds myself. So the next thing that we're gonna do in this is, well, first of all, let's just go back here. I think I know why here. True. Alright, let's just leave that as true. And then we don't even need half this. I know we do need those because I don't want them running afterwards. Like, I want that to stop running any of the code. Don't want that running. So return. The next thing is pretty much in the GUI that we created. Create a GUI texture and then start adding in like properties. And I added the GUI texture behind that model car, behind the car we rendered. Add in like sliders so you can change the wheel size in the GUI. Then options to change the case of the car. Options to change the case of the car. I'm not sure if any of you guys actually got the thing what I'm doing is like actually you guys can design some cases if you want to, and if they're cool enough then I might actually use them. If not, I'm gonna do it myself. Oh, what the flip, Jeb? Flippin' Jeb! What the flip? Flippin' Jeb tweeted out my RC car mod. Jeb literally tweeted out, that's sick. That's cool. I'm happy about that. Freaking Jeb. Literally just go to Jeb's profile and you'll see that. Whoopsie, not that one. Jeb. His latest tweet is my RC car mod. That's so cool. Except there's no icon. It's kind of annoying. That's pretty good. Yeah, I did look at Twitter. It's pretty cool. That's pretty crazy. This is literally like, I don't know. That's why I like doing, like, creating mods and that kind of stuff. MC Dev literally responding to a modder. That's cool. He just posted the Reddit link, I'm pretty sure. But obviously, still cool. A lot of people are like getting ideas for 1.12. That's pretty cool. Alright, have I released the source code yet? Not yet. Will be soon for all the mods as well. I'm like thinking of splitting them up into separate repos, and I think it's still possible because there's like some tricks you can do with Git to put it into a because like how I did it is I put them in all different branches, and I shouldn't have done that. The only reason I did that is because like each time I create a brand new repository, it just like takes up more and more space on my computer, like quite a bit. So I've got so many repositories, it's crazy. Like right now I've got, I'll tell you how many I've got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 repositories. Obviously some are like only on my computer only, but I think there's even more online as well. Let's have a look. Clone. Yeah, it's quite a bit online as well. More than I've got on here. How much we got? 10 minutes left. What should we do in 10 minutes? 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes. Potentially create a GUI texture. Potentially we could. Let's go ahead and see what we can do within whatever the amount of time we got. 256 by 256. This is not going to be big enough. Flippity flip flip flip. We need to go to documents, assets, GUI, textures. GUI, this, thank you, I need that. I need it as wide as I can. 2, as wide as I can. flippity flips off flippin' heck. Alright, pretty good. Then we're gonna have trying to figure out how much, what size is that? 240. The flip. 244, that'd be 122. That's halfway, paint that in black. The flip. GUI texture looking good. Probably should have expanded this beforehand. Alright, there we go. Let's fix up. Corners. I know, that should just be... Nah, it's not. It's gonna be darker. A bit darker. I don't know. Maybe we make the inside of this ever so slightly just lighter. I don't know. I feel like I want to do more of a, I mean we can fix that later on, but we could do more of a, I don't know, a little bit differently. I would show what I mean by differently, but it's a little... Drag this over. So 122. What's half of 122? 50, 66. No, not 66. 61. For reference, ignore. Shapes. Maybe something like this. Get rid of that. Like that, the car will spin on there, and then you have all your options over on this side here. Pretty cool. Let's go ahead and save that. Also, how's this? Pretty much, I was just looking up mod reviews of the dab mod, and I come across this one from this like Spanish person or something like that. I was thinking like, oh yeah, cool dab mod. It's probably got, at least it's like linking to my website and everything like that. Go down into the description. It's linking to 9minecraft.net, which 9minecraft and those kind of weird websites are like literally take your mod, upload it on their website, and they have ads on their website, so they pretty much earn all revenue off your work. Like their website has generated probably more downloads than my website. Only because this YouTuber linked to it in the description, and then he also said in the comments if it was translated. He's like, this mod was made by Notch before he retired. I'm like, what the flip? And like, I commented on it. I commented on it and be like, it'd be great if you could post official download links. Never link to 9minecraft because they steal mods. Thank you. And then creator of dab mod, and like, probably hasn't changed it, but I just hate that. Never use 9minecraft to download mods because they come with viruses, and then if you come to me with saying, oh, there's a virus on here, it's not my fault. I don't want people coming to me like that. But whatevs. But anyway, that's going to end up this live stream today, guys. I said I was finishing in 20 minutes, and that has been 20 minutes. Thank you guys all for coming out to this live stream. It was a little bit more quieter than usual, but regardless, it's always a fun time, and hope you guys enjoyed. I did. I had a fun time myself. But yeah, that's it. I will see everyone later, probably for a live stream in the morning, so come then. Also, thank you for the donation, whoever that was before, Fabby50. Thank you so much, dude. $1 for this live stream. Nah, I'm not really promoting it. Mod Week was different though. I was getting like donations like every 2 seconds almost, but I'll see you guys later. Bye. Stop the stream. What the flip?